Hey YouTube. So I just found some old clips on my camera, and I just wanted to upload them for you guys because I thought I was young, but got my friend over here, Bells. Yeah, he's making fun of me right now, but yeah, it's whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to upload them. So 2013, I was probably, let's calculate this. 2016. I was 16 years old at the time. First legal year trout fishing here in New Jersey. So wasn't too bad for a 16-year-old, you know what I mean? So I hope you enjoy, and let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. Oh, I lost them. There we go. Nice one. That's what I'm using. A simple worm hook with a live worm. Got a weighted head on it. I think it's a 124. Oh, there's one. A little smaller. Here we go. We'll set this guy back into the river. Jeez. Oh yeah, there we go, got one on. Oh, he's a smaller. Oh, he's not even a... Not even a trout. He's got these like horns on the side of. I don't know if you can see those. Didn't get a picture of the bigger. I'll try to keep the camera right there. Okay, bring him up. Oh, seaweed up. Oh. Nice one. Nice fish. Don't. Yeah. There he is. He is bleeding, so...
a little bleeding, so
Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was pretty good, even though it was a little bit older of a video, but it really showed some good trout. On the smaller side, not the biggest, but that's what they stock them with, so not too bad. Working with what I had, didn't even have a net at the time, but thanks for watching. And once again, comment, like, and subscribe.